Good morning to everyone. Welcome to first audio visual class, that is through YouTube. Children, here actually we are doing block 2. As you all know that block 2 is going on, that is representing fractions. So how to represent a fraction is going on. In that second lesson we are discussed in the last class. So this is third lesson, that is finding a fraction of a collection. Children, finding fraction of a collection. From a collection we are finding a fraction. From a group of things, we are finding fractions. See children, here suppose for example I have a 10 pencils, that is group of things, and I have given 5 pencils to my friend. So how many pencils I have given to him in the form of fraction I am speaking. If half of the pencils if I have given to him out of 10, half of the pencils if I given to him means how many I have given to him. You know very well that half means dividing whole into 2 parts. So 10 pencils divide into 2 parts, 5 pencils and 5 pencils. So this 1 by 2, this 2 shows number of groups. 2 shows number of groups. 2 groups we made out of 10 pencils. 5 in one group and 5 in another groups. So out of 2 groups we are selecting only one group. Out of 2 groups we are selecting only one group. So this is given to my friend. That is one group is given to my friend. That is 5 pencils are given to my friend. Understood children? Out of 10 pencils, half of the pencils are given to my friends. My friend means I have made 10 pencils into 2 groups of 5 and 5, and one group is given to my friend. That is 5 pencils are given to my friend. So such type of, we will find fractions from the collection of objects, from the collection of things. So let us discuss this with many examples. I will give you many examples here. So things will be cleared, more cleared. Things will be more cleared, concepts will be more cleared after explaining these examples. Look at here children, 12 marbles, 12 marbles, 12 marbles. In all 3 you are finding 12 marbles only. In all 3 you are finding 12 marbles. But here 1 by 2 means half of 12 marbles. I want only half of 12 marbles. Here I want 1 by 3 of 12 marbles. Here I want 3 by 4 of 12 marbles. So how to show 1 by 2 of 12 marbles? As I said, 12 marbles are drawn. 12, all 12 marbles are drawn. 12 means all 12 marbles, 12 marbles, 12 marbles. Here, as I said you earlier, 2 represents number of groups. 3 represents number of groups. 4 represents number of groups. Clear? Denominator represents number of groups. 1 represent, out of 3 we have to select one group. Out of 3 we should select one group. Out of 4 groups we should select 3 groups. This is very important children. Denominators shows number of groups. Numerator shows how many groups we are selecting. So now children, we should make this 12 marbles to 2 groups. So how to make 2 groups? So one group here, I have taken one group here and one more group. Understood children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles one group, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles of other group. In the group, same number of things should be there. 6 here means 6. Also 6 also should be here. Same number of marbles. 6 and 6. So total number of groups are 2. How many we should select, children? Only one group, because 1 is there in the numerator. So 1 we should select means in this group how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 marbles are there. Out of 2 groups we should select only one group. In this total 6 marbles are there. So answer is 6 marbles. Answer is 6 marbles. So you will be coming to know further if some doubts are there in this example. Let us observe carefully. 3 means number of groups. You should be very careful when you select number of groups. So this 12 marbles I should make to 3 groups. Let me make 3 groups here, children. 1 group, 2 groups, and 3. I have made 3 groups, no children. First 4 marbles are 1, 2, 3 for first group 4 marbles, second group 4 marbles, third group 4 marbles. Equal number of marbles should be there, right? So 3 groups, denominator 3 means 3 groups. How many we should select? Only again one group. Select one group in this. 1, 2, 3, 4. See children, here marbles are 12 only, but we are getting only 4 marbles this time. We are getting only 4 marbles because groups are increased. Previously only 2 groups were there, that's why 6 we got. Here 3 groups are there, that's why 4 we got. Now you tell me children, how many groups I should make to this 12 marbles? How many groups? 4 groups. Denominator shows groups. 4 groups. So make 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See children, 4 groups. In each group, 3 marbles you are finding now. 1, 2, 3 in one group, second group 1, 2, 3, third group 1, 2, 3, fourth. So total 4 groups. Out of 4 groups, how many groups I should select? That tells numerator. How many I should select? 3 groups I should select, not 1. 3 groups. So select 3 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have selected 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. Fourth group I should not select because only 3 groups are there. 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. In 3 groups, how many marbles are there? 9 marbles. So this answer is what, children? 9 marbles. Now have you understood how to get a fractions from the collection? Denominator tells number of groups, numerator represents. Select a group from the how many number of groups you made, select those number of groups. See here children, 2 more examples I have tried. 5 by 6 of 30 counters. Counters may be any counter, marbles, take dice, you can think this as any counters, right? 30 are there. Each row 10, 10 I have drawn. Each row 10, 10. 10, 20, 30. Here also 10, 20, 30. Each row 10, 10 marbles. Total you will find 30 marbles here, 30 marbles here. So because 30 are there, now we should draw those many. So now comes 5 by 6. 5 by 6 of 30 counters means I should make group of, I should make 6 groups children here, correct? I should make 6 groups. See, 1 group of 5 marbles, 1 group, 2 groups, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See, you can see 6 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each group 5 marble counters, like 6 groups. Out of 6 groups, how many should I select? 5 groups. I should select 5 groups. So 5 groups, 1, 2. This is 1 group. This is second group. This is third group. This is fourth group. This is fifth group. So I should select only 5 groups. How many are there? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 counters. 25 counters. How? Make a 6 groups. Select 5 group. 5 groups means 25 counters. Let us see this example, children. Now this time I should make only 5 groups, not 6. So prepare 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In all 5 groups, children, now 6 marbles are there. Selected 5, no, total 5 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equal number of things are there. So total 5 groups. In these 5 groups, I should select 3 groups. Select 3 groups. Here 6, here 6, here 6. I should select only 3 groups. So if I select 3 groups, total you will get 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 6, 18 counters. So 18 counters. So like this, children, I have explained 5 examples. If a question is given, how to find the fractions from the collection of a group means, make number of groups that where it will be indicating denominator. Look at the denominator and prepare those many groups. And out of those many groups, how many groups I should select, that will indicated by the numerator. Look at the numerator and select those many groups. Very simple, children. Worksheet will be given after this, and lesson also I will send it to you. In the worksheet and the lessons, you will find only such type of questions. Repeatedly watch this video so that you will come to know how it is to be solved. Okay, thank you.